السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. صاحبكنا عبد الناصر كسر دواء channelكم عصب كناجي. هذا كمية صاحبتي هوري you welcome. هذا عصبتها هنا فضلا سي subscribe and like. ما أنتوا حنا جوا صاحبك كولين.
Akum salam ego. That is inshallah. I'm greeting you all people.
Yeah.
No, don't laugh.
Say it again. Assalamu alaikum. What?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Say Sambonani, Njani.
Yeah.
Yeah. Greet. Yeah, no, you can use your language.
Ninjanina onlo chisayo babus biya lo Colin.
Oh, that means your name is
Colin.
that's why I call them Colin.
Yeah.
Okay, Colin, kusoo dhawo kanaalka Kanaaji. Maanta waxaan ku weydiinayaa inaan ka weydiiyo I want to ask you some cultures. What?
You want to ask me about what?
Culture.
Culture, yeah.
Culture.
Fine, you can ask me
Yeah.
about my culture.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You are Zulu, ne? Yeah, but you are Zulu.
Okay, I'm a Zulu. I'm
Okay.
a Zulu, but I'm a Zulu. It's fine.
Okay. So Zulu, what that thing they put in the head like a animal thing?
Animal thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing is for decoration. That head, like making like a hen.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I just want to ask you like, what that story come from? Indot. Yeah. It's like, are you Indot yet?
Yeah.
Or are you not Indot?
No, me, I'm indoor because now I'm growing up, and then Tatile Mfazi, I'm staying with my woman in my place, so I'm no longer a small boy. I'm an indoor now.
Oh, Indot means like when you are a big man.
A big man and staying
Responsible man.
responsible man.
Oh.
Yeah, no longer depending on your parents.
Oh, okay. waxaan weydiiyey waxaan u wereeriyey indot xogaa. Yeah. Baadin fahansiinay. Okay. You married or you still?
Yes, I'm married.
Oh, you married. Okay. I can ask you about your marriage. What was some question?
Yeah, you can ask me. It's fine.
Oh, you're good with it. Okay. When you are marrying a wife, what you look for a wife?
No, the first thing first that we are looking for the quality of that wife. Yeah.
Yeah, if she's a good person, good heart,
personality.
yeah,
good
personality.
Heart. Yes.
Yeah.
Just check that first.
That thing I think is every country. Yeah, every people they do that thing.
Yeah,
like
we not just marry because she was wearing a
nice clothes or what?
Yeah.
Oh, she's beautiful. Or yeah.
Just look the quality.
Yeah, but us, when you're marrying a lady, first you have to look about her beauty. Yeah, when she's beautiful. And then markaas kadib waa la fiirinaya Soomaaliya dhaqankeedii iyo diinteedii iyo wixii kale ileen qof wuxuu ma la eego Soomaaliya inta badanaay ma khaldanaay mise saxana asxaabti I don't know. Okay, kadib marka naagta aroosiisid waxa bixisaan labola when you marrying the lady you boy labol.
Yeah, we paying labol.
Okay, how you pay? It's like,
okay, before we send the elder people from my family to her family to negotiate the lobola between the two families.
Yeah,
that's where the negotiation begins.
Yeah,
before we come in with the money and the animals, I mean the cows.
For the labor.
Yeah, first.
Yeah, 15 cows or something like that.
15 cows.
And the blanket also.
Hey, too much blanket and too much gift that they can.
as maanta hargaba ya sorry khayrta san kuma taabanaya marka as ya labola we give also labola for us.
How do you do it?
Labola we do it like how can I say, labola you have to pay some money or whatever it is, some gift for the family side of the wife. But that doesn't mean like you have to pay like and some amount.
How much plus?
Not how much plus and minus. It depends on you.
Okay, that's how much you have.
Yeah, how much you have. If you have too much money, it's up to you. You have to give them. Nice man. Yeah, but if you don't have too much money, they do understand. It's not like you have to pay. Just you have to pay for it. Backed.
Oh,
You see?
yeah.
Yeah,
because-
respect for other. Yeah.
because here it's compulsory. If
Yeah.
here it's compulsory. The
Yeah.
price that they put for their daughter, you have to pay it. If you don't pay, then you have to left. Yeah.
wuxuu ku leeyahay waa bareeskaas waa khasab haddaadan bixinin waa iska tegaysaa ilaa dadkan waa waxay isku girlfriend iyo boyfriend u isticmaalaan that's why some of the people that are using only boyfriend and girlfriend are not getting married quick.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Yeah, that's the reason because they can't afford.
Yeah, if you can't afford, you then stay with a woman.
Oh, sad story, eh?
You live like a girlfriend and boyfriend.
Girlfriend. Okay, when I come to your house, like visiting you,
Yeah,
what are you gonna do food for me?
I will welcome you with a smile and a hug, yeah, as a friend. And I will tell you that you are more than welcome in this house. Yeah, and then we're gonna slaughter chicken for you.
Oh, chicken. Yeah,
Yeah.
but for us we do normally when someone visit us,
Yeah,
like maybe family, friend, what or relative.
yeah,
Yeah, but town we
Town.
do. Yeah, when you stay in town,
Yeah.
we do like we can make for you, like depends what time you come.
yeah.
If it's morning time, we can make for you nice breakfast.
Nice breakfast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice breakfast. If it's afternoon, we can make for you tea. Do you remember that day you can visit us?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
When I-
yeah.
when I
we-
go to your
yeah,
house,
yeah. We're gonna make for you a tea, nice thing, what, and then yeah. If it's supper time, night time.
Yeah,
Yeah, supper.
yeah.
Yeah, it's us like that. But if like we stay like by the farmer side,
Yeah,
the countryside,
yeah.
we can sort for you a goat.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, a goat.
That's great.
That's
So,
great, yeah.
I
And
wish
then
to go-
that meat you have to eat at least like a big
Half.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's too much. Because in our country, normally, if you are slaughtering a goat or a sheep,
Yeah.
it's for a certain ceremonies. But for one person, we just slaughter a chicken.
Or one person for chicken. only.
Chicken, yeah.
For us, chicken.
Chicken is for one person.
When you slaughter for chicken, they're gonna say like, how my friend in that? Yeah, we're on phone. yeah, but it's not gonna say like that. Yeah, but it's you see, it's not good embarrassment because somebody who
Yeah.
come for you for chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In our country, when you slaughter a chicken,
Yeah.
it's a big thing.
I see. He is fast food. The people they eat.
Fast food, yeah.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
Yeah.
yes, Yeah.
Yeah. So let me ask you something else.
Yes, you can
Like
ask.
like the culture things.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are talking about today about culture. What Zulu versus Somalian.
Yes.
Yeah, it's my Zulu friend. This guy, my best friend. How long we are friends? 5 years, 6 years?
Yeah. More than 5 years.
More than 5 years.
Yes.
My friend. Okay, when you marrying, like getting married, like December time, it was your brother was
Yeah,
getting
my brother,
married,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. So and you arrange how when you're looking for that lady to become a coach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So first of all, we just look the quality of that woman, whether she is deserved to be
Married.
married. Yes. And then we send the elder people
Okay.
to her house.
Qualities like maybe she got a job or not. She don't have a job, or what?
Yeah, the dignity. Maybe if she
Oh.
doesn't like too much men, you see.
Oh, dignity.
Yeah,
Oh.
dignity. We're talking about the dignity
Hey.
and the respect.
Uh-huh.
You see,
Oh.
and if she can
Yeah.
do the work like
Yeah.
housework, you
Housework.
see,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that we start.
So
looking
you
first.
said the eldest you sent for her.
Yeah, you know what they are going to do, the elders.
Mm.
those people, they are going there to negotiate the lobola.
Oh, Labola.
Yeah, we're going to negotiate the lobola
Yeah.
to that side.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where it starts. Then when they agree, that's where we gonna start paying that amount that they want, and we're gonna slaughter the cow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big cow.
Yeah, the big cow to combine the ancestor. I don't know if you are believing in ancestors.
Oh, ancestor. No, it's fine. And
Yeah.
as we do also something like that.
Yeah,
But
yeah, that's the thing that we're doing.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And you do also gift with blanket. I heard that story.
Yeah,
What's that?
we give a
blanket,
everything,
Clothing.
and dishes, pot, big pot. You see a lot of gift coming from the families.
Both sides.
Both sides, yes.
Oh.
Coming both sides,
Oh.
yes.
Yeah, but for us also, yeah, and it's almost similar. But us, we